This is Atarian News Channel, and here are the big stories of the day. From the world of technology, innovation, and artificial intelligence. Qualcomm X Nvidia collaboration. Chipmaker Qualcomm is preparing to enter the data center market in a significant way, announcing plans to launch new processors directly with Nvidia's industry leading graphics chips. The move is intended to meet the growing demand for hardware optimization for AI workloads and machine learning, especially in enterprise and cloud applications. Qualcomm's processors will work in tandem with NVIDIA GPUs to provide high performance computing with reduced power consumption, an appealing combination for hyperscalers and AI firms alike. This collaboration highlights a larger industry trend where chipmakers are joining forces to power the next generation of artificial intelligence infrastructure. SAG AFTRA versus Fortnite. In a rapidly evolving digital entertainment landscape, voice actors are raising concerns about AI impersonation. SAG AFTRA, the union representing screen and voice performance, has publicly criticized Epic Games, the developer behind Fortnite, for allegedly using a voice that mimics James Eric Jones' iconic portrayal of Darth Vader without proper authorization. The union warns this is part of a troubling pattern where artificial intelligence is being used to replicate recognizable voices without legal clearance or consent. With digital likeness and synthetic voices becoming more prevalent, ethical and legal frameworks are increasingly being tested. SAG AFTRA reiterated its commitment to protecting performance rights in an era of generative technology. Huawei launches Harmony OS laptops. Huawei has unveiled its first laptops powered entirely by its proprietary Harmony OS operating system, marking a major shift in its software strategy. The new devices are part of Huawei's broader push to reduce reliance on US technologies like Microsoft Windows following years of trade restrictions and supply chain disruptions. Harmony OS, which already runs on smartphones and smart home devices, now extends into personal computing, creating a more unified ecosystem and asserting China's growing technological independence. The rollout is currently focused on the Chinese market with possible global expansion to follow. XAI's Grok 3 on Microsoft Azure. Elon Musk's AI company XAI has announced the integration of its language model Grok 3 into Microsoft Azure. This move allows Azure users to access Grok 3 alongside other models like OpenAI's GPT-4 and Meta's Llama, further enhancing Microsoft's position as a platform neutral cloud provider for AI tools. Grok 3, known for its conversational tone and integration with the social platform X, joins Azure as part of XAI's strategy to compete in the large language model space, while also offering developers more options and flexibility. Klarna boosts revenue per employee with AI. Swedish fintech company Klarna reports a major efficiency leap, achieving nearly $1 million in revenue per employee, thanks to a broad integration of AI across its operations. The CEO, Sebastian Siemiakowski, attributes this milestone to the company's AI driven automation, especially in consumer service, fraud detection, and internal processes. With more than 35% of Klarna's customer service now handled by AI, the company has seen improved response times and significantly lower operational costs, positioning itself as a model for how AI can drive productivity in fintech. Dutch startup growth slows despite 26% surge. Despite a robust 26% year on year growth, the Dutch startup ecosystem has fallen to sixth place in Europe, according to new data from Dealroom. While cities like Amsterdam remain hotspots for fintech and climate tech, competition from France, Germany, and the Nordics has intensified. Analysts point to the need for more scaling support, funding access, and innovation incentives if the Netherlands wishes to reclaim its higher standing in Europe's startup hierarchy. Google expands Notebook LM to mobile. Google has launched the Notebook LM app on Android and iOS, expanding its AI powered research assistant to mobile platforms. Previously available only on the web, Notebook LLM helps users analyze documents, summarize content, and organize information using large language model capabilities. The mobile rollout brings the assistant to users on the go, making it a valuable tool for students, writers, and professionals seeking real time insights from their notes and PDFs. Netherlands invests in neuromorphic computing. In a bold move toward next generation AI hardware, the Netherlands is investing heavily in neuromorphic computing, a technology that mimics the structure of the human brain to create faster, more energy efficient processes. The initiative, backed by universities and the government, aims to establish the country as a European leader in cognitive computing. These chips are expected to revolutionize fields like robotics, autonomous vehicles, and edge AI. Experts say neuromorphic systems could offer the computational leap required to support the next wave of intelligent devices. OpenAI's GPT-5 to use mixture of experts design. OpenAI has revealed new architectural details about GPT-5, which will feature a mixture of experts framework, a system that routes tasks to specialized models for better performance. Instead of relying on one large language model for all queries, GPT-5 will dynamically engage different submodels based on the task, improving both efficiency and contextual accuracy. This marks a strategic shift in how large AI systems are designed and deployed, potentially enabling more powerful and cost effective applications across industries. Elgato launches Stick on Stream Deck. Elgato, known for its popular content creation hardware, has introduced the Stream Deck Neo, a modular controller that can be struck into virtually any surface. Ideal for content creators, gamers, and broadcasters, the device features customizable buttons, app integrations, and profile switching. With its adhesive back and compact form, it brings streamlining and convenience to even the most unconventional setups. This innovation underscores Alligato's commitment to meeting the needs of creators wherever they work. Italy fines Replica AI developer $5.6 million. Italy's Data Protection Authority has fined Luca Inc., the developer behind the AI chatbot Replica, a total of $5.6 million for violating privacy laws. The ruling cites inadequate age verification and improper handling of user data, especially concerning minors. The fine sends a strong message to AI developers operating in Europe, where privacy and data protection regulations are among the world's strictest. This case adds to the ongoing global debate around ethical standards and regulatory oversight for emotionally interactive AI platforms. Virgin Media O2 fixes location leak bug. Virgin Media O2, one of the UK's largest telecom providers, has patched a serious privacy vulnerability that allowed callers to access the real time location of other users without their knowledge. Security researchers discovered the flaw within the company's network lookup services, where specific call setup requests could expose the geographic coordinates of the recipient. The issue raised major privacy concerns, especially in contexts involving stalking or surveillance risks. Virgin Media O2 acted quickly to resolve the issue and has since reinforced its system security. The company stated that no malicious exploitation has been confirmed, but the incident highlights the critical importance of robust safeguards in telecom infrastructure, especially in an era where mobile privacy is under constant threat. From AI regulation to software innovation, and now a timely reminder about mobile security. We've covered the full spectrum of the fast moving tech world. As always, our goal is to keep you informed, aware, and ahead of the curve. For real time updates and exclusive reports, please subscribe, share, comment, and hit that bell icon. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, stay safe and stay curious.